Welcome to my Sweet Memories Factory. Today I want to share my passion with you and show you how you can simply put together a beautiful Thanksgiving table with a lot of items that you'll be surprised to find at your own home. I chose a colorful tablecloth, off-white runner, silver charger plates, white dinner plates, off-white doilies, candelabra, wooden name tags, candle bases, miniature pumpkins, basket with fruit and vegetables, and 2 vases and sunflower sponge. If you like those vases, make sure to take a look at my previous do-it-yourself video where I teach you how to create those beauties. So my tablecloth is colorful and I was in the mood for that. And this was made for a smaller table, and because it's Thanksgiving, we're having more people over, I still use that. And I extended that with putting on the ends placemats. Then this is a vintage runner that I've had it forever. So next I'm going to choose some silver chargers because I wanted to create a contrast with what's coming up next. Those chargers you can find anywhere online, very, very inexpensive. Those are some vintage doilies, and the idea is to create a colonial look. My goal is to create something classic, so I just want to add white plates to it. Because simple, it's unique and elegant. Those candelabras are probably 20 years old, and I decided to use them again, but you can add any other kind of candelabras. Now this was a special. I made this with actually real vegetables and fruit, and that's actually going to be my centerpiece. After all, it's Thanksgiving. So adjust it until it displays its best. Everything in there is natural, guys, and I love it because it's so original. Name tags. So what I like to do on small dinners with name tags is to create something that describes the person that is going to be sitting there and let them find their seats. It's fun. I'm just placing the 2 small candles on both ends of the table for an accent. And now going into the flowers. Those were 2 bunches of sunflowers. They were $4 each. And I cut them in different sizes to create a better display on the vase. Also notice that my dollar store pumpkins are displayed throughout the table in between plates. And I actually use a candle holder, which is a glass candle holder, to place the bigger ones. So this is going to be one of my highlights for this table. I'm going to turn this napkin into a pumpkin. I use a cinnamon stick and I aim to the middle of it. I use a rubber band and I go around twice. Okay? So then I put it on my plate and I'm gonna attach the ends into the rubber band one at a time. As you can see, very easy. Remember, just go around with the rubber band twice so it's not too tight for you work with the ends of the napkin. So now I'm going to arrange all around, and once I place it into the plate, I'm going to create a pumpkin format to the best that I can. As you can see, it's pretty close to it, right? So now I'm gonna place that into the table. As you can see, those pumpkin napkins really brings up something special. And going around, you're gonna notice that all the miniature pumpkins are placed in between plates next to small candles. Name tags are in place. Now I'm going to use my regular silverware around the table, of course. And last one. Seems like it's ready to me. I hope you enjoyed and had fun doing it at your own house. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you can see my next creation. Thank you for watching.